Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Hacoo. You click on settings. You click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you are scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone.